What's up, guys and gals? One half of Not Your Mama's Greens, Rashawn, back at it again with the Cook With Me video. And today, we got vegan fried chicken. I know, it's been a while, I don't know why we ain't did it yet, you know what I'm saying? But it's in the arsenal, we got it, you know what I'm saying? We got it in the bag, we're gonna pull it out the bag and show you how to do it today. So let's get to it, you know what I'm saying? Get to it. Alright, so for the ingredients today, we got a whole lot of ingredients. So, first, we're going to start out with this Gardein lightly seasoned chicken scallopina. This is going to be the base of the chicken sandwich. This is where you're going to get that meaty texture, that meatiness right there. Alright? And then for the brine that we're going to be throwing the chicken in, we got some pickled brine. We got some apple cider vinegar, some unsweetened plant milk by choosing silk almond original. And we got some hot sauce, Louisiana. And for the batter, we will be using it, you know what I'm saying, nice and batter that, coat that chicken up in. We got some cornstarch, and here we got some all-purpose flour. We got some smoked paprika to season it up. We got cayenne, ooh, it's gonna be spicy. Cajun seasoning, ooh. We got some seasoned salt, and then for that sauce on top, we're just gonna do barbecue sauce. You can make a sauce, you can do whatever you want. You can do like a spicy mayo sauce if you got vegan mayo. Just do what you want to do with the sauce. But today we got barbecue sauce. And for the buns today, we will be using Dave's Killer Bread burger buns done right. So we're gonna be using these since they done right. Alright, so for this recipe, you can what you can do is you can go ahead and defrost these. You can leave them out, or you can throw them in the microwave and defrost them out for a little bit. And if you want to make these nice and beefy, nice and chunky, not beefy, chunky fried chicken sandwiches, fried vegan chicken sandwiches, you can put these together. You can make make one out of two. You know what I'm saying? Put them together and be real nice and chunky. That's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so for our brine that we'll be dipping the chicken in, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna start out with a cup of, we'll name it a cup. I'm gonna do like more like 3/4 cup of this almond milk plant batter. And then we're gonna do a alright, now that we got our plant milk nice in there, we're gonna add our hot sauce. We got some Louisiana hot sauce. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of this hot sauce. Ooh, yeah. Alright. Got some hot sauce in there. Alright, we're gonna add some of this Mount Olive kosher dill spears pickle brine in here. We're gonna add with the half tablespoon measure. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of this as well. Alright, we're just gonna add a splash of this apple cider vinegar. You don't add too much, it's pretty strong. Just a little whirl. Wow. Whisk this together, mix it up real nice. Then we'll get the chicken patties in there and we'll show you how to do the batter. Alright, now onto the cornstarch and flour mixture that we'll be doing. The seasoned batter. I'm gonna add a half cup of this of the all-purpose flour. I'm also gonna add a half cup of the cornstarch. Just about a half cup, probably not even a full half cup. That's probably a 1/4 cup. We can do 1/4 cup. You don't have too. You want to have an even ratio. You want to mix this up right here. Make sure that flour and cornstarch is mixed up. Now we're gonna season it. Now I heavily seasoned it the first time. I didn't do it by eye, so that's how we're gonna do it today. We're gonna get some smoked paprika. I'm gonna throw this in there. I really season to taste, but I don't taste the flour. I season it by the eye and the smell. I smell it. If you can smell that smoked paprika coming out of it, you know you added enough. You know what I mean? But got some Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna go hard on this one. Pick that up, baby. Got some Cajun seasoning. I go heavy on this now. I like to get the spice in that chicken sandwich. You really taste the spice. We got some cayenne. More spice.
Let me lift this up a little bit. Okay.
More spice. Add some cayenne pepper in that. I'm gonna mix this up real nice. Beautiful. gorgeous. Now we got our batter ready for our chicken. Alright, so we got one ready. We molded this together. We got one of these ready. We're gonna do the other one. Kind of show you how I mash these together. So first I just start with it in my hand and try to just squeeze it together, give it a fold, squeeze it again, and kind of round it out, and then give it another nice squeeze. See, they don't have to hold perfectly because we're gonna put them in the wet, dry, wet, and then dry again. So they'll be nice and covered in the batter, ready to go. So now they're ready to go. See, they're ready to go. Alright, so we get this nice and crispy and a good breading on this vegan chicken sandwich. We're gonna do 2 coatings of the wet and dry. So I'm gonna do wet. Go ahead and dip this in here. Wet, yes sir. Alright, give me everything you got for the wet. Dip this in the dry. Cover it in this flour, seasoned. Nice seasoned flour. Get it in them cracks and crevices so it's nice and crispy all over. Alright, get another flip. Yes. Throw some in the cracks and crevices. Alright, we're gonna throw this in the wet. I'm gonna make sure you give it a nice press once you throw it in the dry for the first time. And you see how she's nice and she's about to close up. Throw this back in the wet. Spill a little bit of it, we good. Throw it back in that dry. I'm gonna be gentle with it because it's fragile. It's not, you know what I'm saying, this isn't real chicken. You can't just throw it around the place, you know what I mean? It's fragile. It's fragile work now. Alright, so now that we got that nice and covered in the batter, we're gonna do the other one on camera, and then we're gonna fry these up. Alright, now we got our little crumbs on the top of this. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and throw these in. I'm just gonna do one at a time. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in now. We got this oil turned up to about medium high heat. Alright, so once you see that it's starting to brown on that side, you're gonna give it a nice flip. Alright, so I had this frying for about 6 minutes on each side. Got this nice and golden brown. You know what I mean? Cooked all the way, you know what I'm saying? Didn't really have to cook for that long. We're gonna sit it over here so we can drain out some of that oil. Alright, every good vegan fried chicken sandwich, or even any sandwich at all, needs a good foundation, a good base. So that's why we're gonna toast our buns on our stove top right here on our skillet. Give it a nice toast. We got it turned up to about medium high heat. We got it nice and oiled down. We get our buns toasted. Alright, we have our final products here. We're gonna have Amanda taste these chicken sandwich.
Okay, y'all, I was getting hungry behind this camera, so I'm really excited to try this sandwich out. Let's see how it is. Oh my god. This tastes like the closest thing to a real chicken sandwich that I've had since I went plant-based. So very, very high compliments to the chef.
Give it a full bite. Full bite. It's hot. Yeah, full bite.
Ah!
It's too hot? Bite it. Bite it.
Go on it. Wait, Jada, we're still filming you. You gotta tell us what you think about it.
It's hot. Alright, well there you go. That's a fried vegan chicken sandwich. Or the other way around, vegan fried chicken sandwich. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. You know what I mean? If you got any comments, got any concerns, got any questions, throw it down in that comment section below. We'll get to it. If you're new, subscribe. And if you already subscribed, hit that notification bell so it goes straight to your phone so you'll know when we post our new video. But that's it. That's all y'all getting out of me. I'm about to go eat my chicken sandwich. Deuces.